Let's get some information about our system today. We create a new Java project in Eclipse and give it the name System Info. We create a single class named System Info, which also contains the main method. Okay, let's start coding. First, we use the system_get_property method to get some information about the operating system, the Java environment and the computer user. Let's start with some information about the operating system. Let's save the current state and briefly test if everything works. Great. That already looks very good. Now let's find out some information about the Java environment. Let's save our progress so far again and then test if everything works as it should. Very good. It works as expected. Let's find out something about the current user. Save and test again. Everything is fine. Now let's find out something about our computer. For this we will use methods of the runtime class. The methods used return the memory size in bytes. We divide by 1,048,576 to be able to specify the value in megabytes. We save our progress again and test our little program. Great. We are making good progress. Finally, we determine the available memory of the computer. The method we use is deprecated, but it still works. Okay. We save again and test our work. Great. We have achieved our goal for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you liked this video.